In this video, we will cover how to learn in a 2GIG DW10 as a combined shock sensor into the GC3 panel. This will utilize the sensor's wired input as well as a wired piezo shock sensor. Start by pressing System Settings and entering your installer code. Then scroll down to Installer Toolbox, System Configuration, and finally, Wireless Zones. Scroll to the first unused zone and click on Edit Zone. First, let's learn in the shock sensor. Start by selecting Perimeter as your sensor type. For equipment code, choose 2GIG Thin Door Window Contact. Now, click Serial Number and then Learn. While the system is listening, trip the DW10 to learn it into the panel. For the shock sensor, the sensor loop should be set to 1. On transmission delay, we recommend selecting Disabled. Next, choose an appropriate voice descriptor for the shock sensor. Lastly, choose an appropriate sensor chime. Now, let's learn in the door window contact. To learn in the door window contact, start by selecting Perimeter as your sensor type. For equipment code, again, choose 2GIG Thin Door Window Contact. Click Serial Number and then Learn. Trip the DW10 again to learn it into the panel. This time, you'll want to choose Loop 2. Again, we recommend disabling transmission delay. Now, choose an appropriate voice descriptor for this sensor. And finally, choose an appropriate sensor chime. Once you're done, return to System Configuration. Click the back arrow to review your changes, and click Save when you're done. Be sure to test the shock sensor and the door window contact to ensure they're learned in properly. This has been Tyler with Surety DIY. Thanks for watching.